With the end of the year approaching, manufacturers are looking forward into next year and the trends that matter to them.
Several of you out there have already read 10 business technology trends you'll read about in 2014 on mbtmag.com, so we decided to invite Matthew Littlefield, President and Principal Analyst with LNS Research, to narrow down his list on this week's Face-to-Face.
Matthew, what do you think will be the top technologies that will affect manufacturing the most in 2014, and why?
Well, it's a great question. I think there's a lot of technologies today that are impacting manufacturing. And when we've done our research and looking at the trends in the industry, companies are very focused on customer responsiveness and quality in their products. And I think technologies that are going to drive innovation around that are all around the Internet of Things. And there's a number of supporting technologies that are allowing for the building of applications on top of that idea of the Internet of Things. One of those is around data collection and social analytics. So we're seeing companies trying to be much more customer-focused, customer-centric. So I think being able to collect the data from the social sphere and bring that back into innovation in manufacturing and excellence in manufacturing is going to be a big trend in the space next year. So social analytics and connecting to the social sphere is one. I think another one is around mobility. So we've seen big trends in mobility in the consumer space. This year we've seen the release of a number of applications that are native to devices and are using things like location-based services, the inherent capabilities of the devices themselves to improve the user experience. So I think those mobile applications focused on manufacturing is a big trend. And then I think the final one is on big data and analytics in manufacturing. So it's well documented that there's very few industries that actually create more data than we do within manufacturing. Some of it's structured, some of it's transactional, some of it's time-based and connected to the process itself. And now there are event-based technologies and analytical technologies that can really bring this vast resource of data together within common data models and pull out the real intelligence. I think all of these are going to really contribute to that idea of the Internet of Things and drive new applications within that overall framework.